Setting up your brand is simple and can be done by clicking Settings from the main dashboard and selecting the Brand and Style tab. Begin by uploading a PNG file for your logo. Dark logos will be displayed on photos with light backgrounds, and white logos will be displayed on photos with dark backgrounds within your gallery. Add your social channels, such as your email, website, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. To increase traffic and connectivity to your brand, your social channels will display at the bottom of the gallery, the bottom of the portfolio page, and in your gallery emails. If you are subscribed to one of the paid Pic-Time plans, you can add a custom domain to your account. Select Custom Domain and click Read Setup Instructions to begin configuring your domain DNS settings. You can also choose the default gallery style. Choose between small, medium, or large photo size for your galleries, with a variety of spacing between the photos available.